Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel Avanti Morocha. This video is sponsored by Cricut. Today I'm going to share all the information you need to know about Cricut Design Space and Cricut Access. Cricut newbies tend to confuse this, but to clarify, they are two different things. Cricut Design Space is a free design app for Cricut cutting machines. It is available as a desktop and mobile application. Cricut Access is a plan that gives you access to Cricut library, which includes images, fonts, and ready-to-make projects. Cricut Access availability is based on your country. Now, let's begin. Design Space is a free design app for Cricut smart cutting machines available for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. If you are going to use the desktop application, you are going to download it during the machine setup. If you are going to use the mobile app, go to the App Store if you are using an iOS device, or go to Google Play if you are using an Android device, and download Cricut Design Space. If you want to know the current system requirements, visit the Cricut webpage. You will find information you need for Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. I'm going to share the link to this page in the info box below the video. Design features and functionality may vary between computers, tablets, and smartphones. At the moment, the desktop application is the most complete. Now I'm going to show you a comparison of Cricut Design Space features availability across Design Space platforms. The following features are available in Windows and Mac computers and iOS and Android devices. Attach, Bluetooth compatible, contour, cut and dry in one step, flatten to print, written style fonts, machine setup, slice and weld, system fonts, and image upload. The print then cut feature that is great to make stickers and offline feature are available in Windows and Mac computers and iOS devices. At the moment, these features are not available in Android devices. Pattern fills, templates, link physical cartridge, curved text, and knife blade cutting are only available in Windows and Mac computers. Smart guides are only available in iOS and Android devices. Photo Canvas, 3D layer visualization, and Snap Matte are only available in iOS devices. Keep in mind that Cricut is always updating Design Space, so there are always new improvements. I'm in Design Space, the desktop app. This is a simple and user-friendly program. I'm going to show you the different areas and panels. If you are using the mobile app, you will find the same areas and panels, but in a different arrangement to fit a small screen. At the moment, the desktop application is the one that has full features and capabilities. Now I'm going to insert a shape, change the color. Now insert text. Now go to Images, click on Category. Here you will find the Cricut library. To be able to use it, you need to be subscribed to Cricut Access. I'm going to use one of the free images of the week. Remember, you can only cut this content for free this week. Next week they will have another content. Now I'm going to upload one of my own images. When using your images, ensure you are using file formats supported by Design Space, which are JPEG, GIF, PNG, BMP, SVG, and DXF. I'm going to upload the design I create in Illustrator. Click on Open, Save, and insert the image. Now I'm going to show you the different areas and panels. This area with the grid is known as Canvas and is the work area. This is the design panel. This is the header. If you click over the three lines, you will open a drop-down panel with more settings. This is the layer panel. Here you can see everything you have in Canvas. If you select more than 2 elements, you are going to activate some tools at the bottom. This is the color sync panel. If you select an object, you will open the object edit panel. Finally, if you select text, you will open the text edit panel. With Cricut Design Space, you can make simple designs using forms and text. If you want to make more complex designs, you will need Cricut Access, or you can make your own designs using another program and upload your images to Design Space. Cricut Maker, Cricut Explore, and Cricut Joy use Design Space. There are going to be some difference in the application based on the machine you are using. I'm in Design Space, the desktop application, and now I'm going to show you some of the difference. Go to Shapes and insert a circle. As you can see, at the moment I have Cricut Joy selected. Go to Line Type. Open the drop-down menu. The options are Cut and Draw. Now I'm going to select Cricut Explore. Go to Line Type. The options are Cut, Draw, and Score. Now I'm going to select Cricut Maker, go back to Line Type, and you have the following options: Cut, Draw, Score, Engrave, Deboss, Wave, and Perforation. When you are using Cricut Maker, you have more options to choose from. If you want to print the circle, go to Film and click on Print. As you can see in the Layer panel, this image is now going to be Print then Cut. It is important to mention that the Print then Cut feature is only available in Cricut Explore and Cricut Maker. Keep in mind the Cricut machines don't print. If you want to use this feature, you need to use an inkjet printer. Now I'm going to show you the same process using a mobile device. I'm using my iPad Pro. To select your machine, click on your profile. I'm going to select Cricut Joy. Go to Shapes and insert a circle. Click on Edit, then Line Type. The options are Cut and Draw. Now I'm going to select Cricut Explore. Go to Line Type. The options are Cut, Draw, and Score. Now I'm going to select Cricut Maker. Go to Line Type. The options are Cut, Draw, Score, Engrave, Deboss, Wave, and Perforation. If you want to print this circle, go to Film, open the drop-down menu, select Print, Apply, open the Layer panel, and now you can see this circle is going to be Print then Cut. When using a mobile device, the Print then Cut feature at the moment is only available in iOS devices. Cricut Access is a subscription plan that gives you access to the Cricut image library of 100,000 plus non-licensed images plus thousands of projects and hundreds of fonts. You will also get a 10% discount on all products purchased at Cricut.com and 10% off on premium licensed fonts, images, and ready-to-make projects from brands like Disney, Sanrio, and Anna Griffin. And if you need to get in touch with the Cricut member care line, your support request will be prioritized. There are two kinds of membership, standard and premium. You can get the standard membership and choose to pay monthly. The cost is $9.99. The annual cost is $95.88, which costs you $7.99 monthly. The premium membership cost is $119.88, and you can only buy it annually. This membership includes more benefits. Cricut Access Premium is available only in the US and Canada. Monthly and annual plans are available in the US, UK, Canada, and Australia. Members worldwide can purchase Cricut Access monthly through the Design Space mobile app for iOS and Android. Keep in mind, Cricut is always improving and there may be some changes in the future. I'm going to show you some of the benefits of having Cricut Access. I have the standard annual membership. Click on Projects, All the projects with the green flag and the letter A are part of Cricut Access. As you can see, there is a lot to choose from. If you prefer, you can search for projects based on categories. I'm going to select Halloween. I'm going to select this one. Here you will find the description, finish size, materials to cut, everything else, and instructions. If you want, you can send the project to cut as is or customize it. I'm going to click on Customize. You could add a name, change the font. I'm going to change the bow. Delete this layer. Now go to Images, typo in the search box. I'm going to use this one. Modify the dimensions, rotate. And that's it, the image is ready to be cut. Now go to Images. All the images with the green flag and the letter A are part of Cricut Access. There are a lot of images to choose from. Click on Category. Now I'm going to click on Classroom and Education. If you are a teacher, this library is going to be really helpful. Now go back to Images, click on Category. Now click on Parties and Events. Click on Wedding. And I'm going to select this one. You could use it to make t-shirts for bridesmaids. The possibilities are endless. Now I'm going to show you how I put together this design using images from Cricut Access. First, I went to projects to see if there was already a queen bee project. I didn't like any in particular, so I decided to make one. Go to Images, type queen in the search box. I'm going to use this one. Now go back to Images and type vine. I'm going to use this one. Now go back to Images and type V in the search box. I'm going to use this one. As you can see, this image has 4 layers. I'm going to delete the layers that I don't need. Now I'm going to slice this area. Insert a square. Modify the dimensions. Select both layers and click on Slice. Delete the extra pieces. Now go to Flip and click on Flip Vertical. Insert a circle. Place it over the vine. Select both layers and click on Slice. Delete the extra pieces. Overlap these 2 pieces. Rotate it. Select both and click on Weld. Now I'm going to change the color. As you can see, this image only has 1 layer. Insert a circle, modify the dimensions. Select both layers and click on Slice. Delete the extra pieces. Select everything and click on Weld. This is how I put together this design using images from Cricut Access. As you saw, Design Space and Cricut Access together are a powerful team. Now I'm going to show you the Cricut library for fonts. Go to Text. Now click on Cricut. Only the fonts with the letter A on the front are part of Cricut Access. Within the Cricut fonts, there are fonts that have a writing style. Go to Filters, click on Writing. These fonts are the best to use with Cricut pens. I'm going to type Hi. These are single line fonts, which means the pen is only going to pass one time. The written style is not available when using system fonts. When you do a project only using images and fonts from Cricut Access, you can share them with the Cricut community through Facebook, Pinterest, or the URL link. I share the URL link to the projects I made on my blog avantimorocha.com. To be able to use them, you need to be subscribed to Cricut Access. I'm on my blog avantimorocha.com. I'm going to go to my blog post about applying a decal on a Mac. Click on Read More. Now click on the link to the project. Click on Open. and click on Open Cricut Design Space. The project is going to be open in Cricut Design Space. You can send it to cut as is or customize it. If you want, you can follow me on Cricut, click on Avanti Morocha, and you will be able to see all the projects I share. If you have Cricut access and buy machines, materials, or accessories on Cricut.com, you will get a 10% discount on your purchase. Please keep in mind that the page of Cricut.com only ships inside the US and Canada. You don't need to have a subscription to Cricut Access to use your Cricut machine. You can upload your own images. Just ensure you are using the file format supported by Cricut Design Space. If you don't know how to design your own images, I recommend buying the subscription to Cricut Access. It is going to save you a lot of time and it's going to make your experience using Cricut more enjoyable. I hope you like this video and you find it informative. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. If you are interested in any of these Cricut machines, I'm going to share the links where you can buy them in the info box below the video. If you are new to my channel and you like what you see, hit the subscription button, tap the notification bell so you get informed every time I release a new video. Don't forget to visit my blog, follow me on my social media, like this video and share it with your loved ones. See you soon. Ciao, ciao.